In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Schedule 1 together. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Schedule 1 can be played either alone or co-op with up to 4 people in the same save file or lobby. So all that you have to do to play together is to invite your friends through Steam. So currently, during the time that I'm recording this video, the primary way is going to be through PC on Steam. If the game ever releases for consoles in the future, you will most likely be able to follow similar steps to get this done. When you open the game and you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will be alone in a lobby that can host up to 4 people. So all that you have to do is click on this plus sign here. Make sure that everyone who is going to be playing is running the same version of Schedule 1. If someone is outdated, make sure that they update the game first. When you or anyone else clicks on this plus icon, it will bring up the Steam friends list. So now you can see all of your online friends and send out the invites. You can have up to 4 people in the lobby, but you can start with only 2 or 3 players if you prefer. Once they receive the invite and they accept through the Steam overlay or the friends list, they will load into the lobby with you until you have 4 people maximum. Now you can go ahead and choose either new game or continue. This will allow you to browse through your saves. If you are doing a new game, choose an empty save slot and you will be able to start here with your friends. So give your organization a name and consider skipping the prologue if you have already done this in the past. If you have never played before, it's recommended to do it, as you can see here, but that's down to your personal preferences. So now you can begin the game, all of you will go through the character creation, and you will see each other inside when you load in. Everyone can have their own custom name, and money will be shared between you guys on the ATMs. I'm not going to go too much into detail about the gameplay changes. I simply wanted to showcase how you can invite your friends and start playing together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Schedule 1 together. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.